Hello everyone, and welcome back to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss step-by-step guide to become an artificial intelligence AI expert in 2023. So if you are ready, let's start today's topics. How to become an artificial intelligence AI expert in 2023. Becoming an artificial intelligence AI specialist is an exciting journey that demands dedication and a structured approach. As a leader in this innovative and fast-paced industry, as an AI specialist, you will create intelligent systems, machine learning algorithms, and creative solutions that benefit various industries. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this evolving field and develop the skills needed to excel in AI. Step 1. Create a strong foundation in mathematics and programming. To become an AI expert, start by building a solid foundation in mathematics and programming. Master concepts like linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. Additionally, become proficient in programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++. Enroll in online courses, university-level classes, or interactive coding platforms to enhance your knowledge. Step 2. Master machine learning and deep learning. AI applications are built on machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. ML uses algorithms to allow computers to see patterns in data and anticipate outcomes. DL uses neural networks, a subset of ML, to carry out challenging tasks like speech and picture recognition. Learn about supervised and unsupervised learning methods, ML algorithms, and DL architectures. Step 3. Acquire knowledge in natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. Understand how ML algorithms allow computers to see patterns in data and how DL uses neural networks for challenging tasks like speech and picture recognition. As an AI specialist, you'll encounter two critical subdomains: natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. Dive into NLP libraries like NLTK and Spacy to enable machines to comprehend and interpret human language. Step 4. Learn about cloud computing and big data technologies. Explore computer vision tools like OpenCV to understand visual information from images and videos. To effectively handle and process vast volumes of data, become familiar with big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. Additionally, gain expertise in cloud computing to use scalable and economical resources. AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud provide AI tools and services for managing and deploying models. Step 5. Pursue specialization and higher education. Consider furthering your studies in areas relevant to AI. Specialized master's and doctoral degrees in AI and machine learning are available at universities worldwide. Choose courses that align with your interests and professional goals, whether in robotics, finance, healthcare, or natural language processing. Step 6. Participate in AI competitions and work on real-world projects. Gain practical experience by working on real-world AI projects. Apply theoretical knowledge to realistic scenarios and collaborate with AI enthusiasts. Join AI communities and contribute to open-source projects. Participate in AI competitions like Kaggle to tackle challenging problems and learn from the best practices of the AI community. Step 7. Harness online courses and certifications. The internet is a treasure trove of AI education. Enrich your knowledge and earn industry-recognized credentials through online courses and certifications. Platforms like edX, Coursera, and Udemy offer AI courses from prestigious institutions and experts. Step 8. Network and collaborate with AI experts. Networking is paramount in the AI field. Forge connections with AI professionals, participate in industry events, and immerse yourself in online AI communities. Networking can unveil job prospects, collaborative ventures, and invaluable knowledge exchange, fostering your AI journey. That's all for this video, and if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up for more content, and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss any upcoming video. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.